Biyakegima omwanchi omurigereria chitariki ninye omutinyo gatano na gatatu omwaka gwechiri bubere mengwansa 22 asene yariganiri kurwasigeta seni kya Ndizi TV elinde ngomanye na rayanyari ko bakagokorekana korwa chingongo chonsi chinse chinga kitoroche obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wanyari ko bagokora campaign yabo asichinse mo chiri kya Kisumu nabo igo chinga ki obomo bwa Kenya kwanza we yariganiti gokora campaign chabo chomwelio county ya Mombasa. Yugo mwanchi umurigereria ikaranso ike elindengo erera nara yanyari ko bakagokorekana. Henda gutubwatia chinsemo chicha Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabo igo chinsemo chicha YouTube nabo gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News chinsemo chicha website nabo gotonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke. Eretaria Nemfrida Kerubo na chinsemo chibiorokereri na tochkunya ko tukubwetera nere Joshua Auta. Ngwira nanda segekeke ngomanye amange. Ekingo chaka kegima omwanchi omurigereria nigongo kumanyibuna omokonyi boyo kurigia ekerokyo bugavana ime county ya Kisii wetera ekiamagia DAP Kenya Samson Ongeri engineer magani gobono anyare ko bagakunganya korwa ase ekiamekyo nabo igo gutangasa bene gochikomosira oyo kurigia ekerogekyo wetera ekiamagia UDA Ezekiel Machogu anigo anyate ko bakakoya kwana ase chinsemo chiricha bo Machoge
was forwarded to Professor Sam Kegengo Ongeri as his running mate. It is the same community, the same organization which is here, are the ones the professor requested to give him a candidate who can give him enough boost. But as you have heard very clearly, this is in the interest of the community. The same way I was presented, the same way I have been voted. I do not have the power to decide on their behalf. Everywhere in the country, things are being done communally. So my community has made a decision which I cannot go against.
Yes.
So for this purpose, I am going to do any duty they will allocate to me, apart from being a running mate of Professor Ongeri, because they have made a decision that he has not run his campaign effectively. He has no chance of winning. We want to be in the winning team.
Yes.
And that team...
Goskamutu asorobo tirundo mwanchi omurigereria nigongo kumanyibuna kobwatekana no kugwa kwebirasi ase eskuru yoboroso ya Kiamabundu bono nigo omunyakirogo bwe body eskuru eyo Peter Mugendi aganire abasamaria bayago esokya nabo igo kubakonya ase obwagachi abarai awanigo banyare ko babagwe esokya nabo igo kubasira egati yabo oyo kurigia ekirokyo bwe MCA ime ward ya Kisii Central Kennedy Mugire uyenyare ko bagakorwa amabati emerongebe
Kia kwera ya amangana ya betega so karaba jitaiga kana mbanyorte ngibirasi bito 12 ne office ne staff room ne library yonsi mbigwana tukoba chinyomba cyo gutumia na mwanya bantu karaba ikiretego bagatulikira lirobe bagatoe notice ya matuko 23 days ojagira tarehe 15 inga anya ntoko nyara korosi birasi ebito vacancy twagachebia birasi ebi oikira one skuru ngosie kwere ando bona toko sabanya sa ngambe yekiagara atwanjirite skuru after mwe karaba yagerere bono twaikira negaiga osaba abantu abaya abantu bwato wanjokuya abantu baragera tokonye skuru eyo yagache upya ikiara tutakora tigo na biranyare kana ngabana mbali koirana after
Abantu nigo bagendete gosemigwa chinjira cyo gwetanga nebinyenyi byenyamoleo chisegi chegenga nabo igo amalito agengyo nigo litkolya rero omurobiri yo agendete gokorekana ase chinsemo cha viongozi kebirigo nabo igo ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira.
So hapa kuongea juu ya kirusi cha ukimwi na maambukizi mapya ambayo yanaleta nini? Uoga, si ndio? Kwa wale watoto wale wetu kuanzia miaka 10 hadi 10 na ngapi? Na 4. Si ndio? Tunaweza kurudisha chini namna gani? Community health volunteers na kama gatekeepers. Je, tunaweza kufanya nini ili tuchangie National AIDS Control Council wakishirikiana na National Council for Population.
Omunyakirogo bw'ekiombe ky'abanyakonda Kennedy Mariera bonanigo aboriri abagusi bonsi koeneki omurembe chingaki naboigo magega yobochori obonene aniga gocha magega twatigairi amatuko amake erinde tonyareko batogwaka chikura ase obochori obonene bole bosio
nongo sababa gusibaito bonsi pi twake chikura chito no murembe nandi tubuna abagusi yege sokumo gusi chikure chito gwaka nande omonto orachorwe president ya Kenya noyo omomba ko bababere omonto orachorwe mugaba no Kisi County noyo omomba ko bababere igo abantu baminto ngo sababa gusibete bonsi pikoro nyamira paka Kisi bonsi pi twake chikura chito no murembe.
Umurai wense Uhuru Kenyatta chingaki akorete etaro yaye imeyorogongo rwagusi nigo aboriti abakuronerekero kyobugavana ime county ya Kisi banyareko baba koigwana na boigo gwancherana ningo babo chikonyareko bagusira ase obochori obonene haniga gocha magega y'umurai bekyamagia ODM Raila Odinga nere chingaki akorete etaro yaye ime county ya Kisi nigo neranyate ko bagakubabolia koigwana na boigo goikaransa amo ase koene kibuna benyoleire obobui sobochori bole bosio. Omokonyi bomurai wense Dr. William Ruto nerabo igonigo aganirie abakenya gwasyokeligwa igoro yemerobelio yekyombe kyobochori kya IEBC kegendete kobeka chinga kechiga toligereti obochori obonene aniga yakwana nabaliki bamangana ase enga ya Karen Omochi o Nairobi ase boigo agania abanyanyimbo gotatume kwa bobe ase chinga kechiga toligereti obochori obonene.
There is an attempt by our competitors to lock us out of venues for meetings. Last week, we were locked out of Buhungu Stadium in Kakamega, but we still held the meeting anyway. In fact, we held a bigger meeting outside the stadium than we could possibly have held inside the stadium. Today, we are supposed to have a meeting in Mombasa at Tononoka grounds. And in fact, this afternoon at 2 p.m., we will be in Tononoka grounds. Some people are trying to use the police to stop us from having that meeting. This is our final rally in Mombasa. It's a very important rally. And the kind of excuses they are giving us is that the president is in Mombasa. I mean, how ridiculous can that be?
Ekiombe getene tobochori ne chimbebe IEBC ni gobono kiene keiri abakenya unangia aliganite bene ase obochori bole bosio kolengana nabo ni gobanyareko bakoenekeri abakenya banyareko bakoena na amasakara yobwa kichikura ase chi county emerongo etato na isano ase ebirogo byobo governor obo senator nabo igo egati yebinde.
We have distributed 364 pallets of governors' ballot papers at the constituencies. We have distributed 368 pallets of senator ballot papers. The women rep, we have distributed 410. Member of Parliament, 439 pallets. County Assembly member 472.
Omowaziri w'obwererania Joy Musheru nigatebire bono internet rigo chikolimigwa chinga kichiobo choli obonene boigo nigo aenekeiri abakenya buna eserikali terigo chigwesona nigatino obocholi bule bosio abo ase aganiri abakenya bonsi kwerobelia bene na boigo kwene kibanyare ko babagwaka chikura anigo ayakwanete chinga kibaumiranite na Editors Guild imeyomochi o Nairobi.
Directions to CA and shutting down. There's nothing illegal about security instructions. The law is very clear. When the National Security Council has sat and given direction on certain things, those are implemented. And I think they were implemented. But we are on record that we are not shutting down first the internet. I think as a country, you all know, people have spent a lot of time and made a lot of comments and statements, even of His Excellency the President, that are false, but it has not led us to shutting down. So as the President has stated, there is no reason to then shut down the internet during this election period. I think we enjoy a very democratic space, and people, yes, make a lot of statements that sometimes are not true and sometimes insults, things that we don't even, they're unprintable.
Bono nigo abalimi b'emesi benyoleire omoeso magegaye kambuni yesukali ya Mumias koigorwa bene nabo igo kurigererigwa chinchira era chigokora emirimo hanigo agocha magegaye private investor oyomo koene kibuna obokoleri obuyambo chikoene kigwa ase ekambuni eyo boigo nigo abamenyi benseme yo banyare ko bagosabwa gwesokya nabo igo koene kibuna ngo simeka bale emesi ase obonge elinde ko egendereria ase amatuko alebosio Kicho nigo boigo abanasiasa basabirwe utaesona nigatine kambuni ya Mumias asoko ene kibuna yanyere ko bageko gendera na boigo kolenda obokoleri obuya ase ensemeyu.
Tunaunga mkono yule investor ambaye ako kwa ground sasa. Huyo ndio tunaunga mkono na tulikuwa na matumaini sana huyu investor atajaribu kutatua matatizo yetu ambayo tumekuwa nayo miaka 7 hii. Na sasa tunasikia na huzuni kwamba mambo ingine imeenda kwa koti kusimamisha.
Wale wakulima ambao wameng'oa miwa yao na wameanza maneno ya kupanda mahindi, na muomba mrudi kwa kupanda
Omokonyi w'umukamishona ase ensemo ya Jemu Wangai Job Anunda bono nigo aganire abonchorere kurwa ase sekta y'obosombi wesokia chinga kichobwa kibwe chikura nabo igo koira abantu abagotu nabo igo bali babwate obolema goika ase ebitaseni byobwa kichikura nabo igo koene kibuna abanyare kwa bakonyoreri bagalia bolia bene ase ogochora abarayi bali banchete.
Hatutaki mtu hata mmoja akose kupiga kura. Tunataka iwe 100%. Na hapa tuko na shida. Hata mheshimiwa for a long time watu wetu wa Siaya hapa hawapige kura vizuri. Makelele mingi, ikifika wakati ya kura hakuna wa.
People your game, let us have a peaceful election. Elections will come and go, but game will remain united. Because game is one of the best constituencies in the Republic of Kenya.
Omwanchi omurigereria korwa sorobotiro nigo naikeire omoiri obwamangana maya ase ebirebiga kurende ngo gosaba basagusika basakonyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mangeno yanyore ase enchira yobwenye yenda gutubwatia ase chinsemo chiricha Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabigo chinsemo chiricha YouTube nabagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News ase ensemo ya website nabagotonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke maiga kamera asoko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogira gwikira sure asenchira yabene nere John Kebati tonyera kwa tukubwatirana nere Joshua Auta asichinsemo chibiorokereria na nchelia ne Frida Kerubo ngokoganiria oboligereria obuya.
TV ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Amangana na igure ngoyo oino bureki
Elietariane Chris Mogere Ogure kuriginde chikura cy'ubugabana cy'umwaka oyiga yonko basaba abantu baminto mu ngakiri chikura kitariki kianda mutinyo batana batatu ekyama kiane Jubilee kireso muungano bwazimio la umoja umokonyone igakuru kwa William Baka umusingi wa mangana ndose binanyigenete no kuigwana ekero mwe ikarasi mwagambire mwe igwanire kumutegete gokora ekumuganeti ngakimogo ekora ngakikimoko yekora ninyigenete nga ase experience na twalire yokuwamba n'abantu ugoikana hange n'abantu nabatema kuigwana ekina kinyigenete kiratokonye ase gukora ibintu biratokonye ase ugutanga ibintu bitucyandete egere abagusiba baitu tumenye buya tumenye tuigwana ine tumenye turi nobomo tumenye turi no murembe mono omurembe ikiara kende tigirigi kunyara gukorekana ase ukungusana na kure ase ukuramana kure ase